What's up, guys? We've been getting a lot of questions about what caliber rifle can we use the scope vision on. We don't recommend shooting it on anything larger than a 223, simply due to recoil. You can shoot it on anything you would like, but that is at your own risk. We love shooting it on 17 HMR 22s, AR-15s, 223 bolt action rifles. We do shoot them on larger caliber rifles, but again, that is at our own risk. We are not responsible to any bodily harm to your equipment, your scope, anything higher than a 223 caliber rifle. So as you guys can see, this adapter does add about 1.5 inches, 2 inches to the back of your scope, which is cutting into your eye relief. So we do recommend using a longer eye relief rifle scope. You know, most of your Leopolds have a really good eye relief. A lot of the Vortex are okay, and things like that. You know, your really cheap 4-power rimfire scopes. Obviously, on a rimfire, you're not going to get the recoil. But if you are shooting a 6.5 Creedmoor with a short eye relief scope, you may get that right on the nose when the gun goes boom. Another thing is this eye boot right here. It is for your protection. It's also to block out the light, but it does provide cushion in the event that something does go wrong. Like I said, we do recommend this being shot on the 223 and lower. Obviously, there are a lot of calibers out there, especially if you're shooting suppressed, that are not going to recoil. Again, that's all at your own risk. Use your judgment. You know, if you get behind the gun, you get up there and you can feel your face might be a little close, don't pull the trigger.